everyone, my name is Casey and I'm here today to unbox the 150th anniversary Transcontinental Railroad set from the USPS. This is actually only the second time they've done something like this. The only other time was for the very popular 2013 Inverted Jenny commemorative, and that actually sold out really fast. So if that's any indication, this probably isn't going to be around for too long, so I'm really glad I got my hands on one of them to look at before they're gone. So I'm not really sure what's going to be in here, but it's pretty hefty, so I'm excited to see what's inside. So here's our certificate of authenticity, and it also tells us what's inside. So we've got cyan proof, which I think is this one, a magenta proof, yellow, black, CMYK composite, which is just all the colors together it looks like, and then the gold foil one, and then also the stamp pane. I don't know about you guys, but I just love these stamps. I think that they're some of the best and nicest looking stamps that the USPS has come out with recently. I really like the gold. It adds a nice accent and it's not tacky, and I think they did a great job with the original artwork of the two engines. They're very vibrant, but they're still really classic looking. I think the golden spike stamp in the middle is like a nice throwback to older style posters and engravings, and they're just really nice. I think they just really took their time with these, and it just proves that you can come up with a really nice product for something as important as the 150th anniversary. So I don't know if you guys can see these all, but I know the yellow one's kind of bright. But so these are all three of the colors by themselves, and the black and white one, which kind of looks like a vintage photograph, which is cool. And then obviously we have that. Oh, I almost forgot. There's a nice booklet in here, which, let's see what this is. Oh, there's photos. Oh, it looks like there's just a whole bunch of history about the engines and the stamps. Yeah, this is cool. Oh, and it folds out. Oh, look at that. It's a whole map of west to east, all the way over here to New York where Mystic is, and California's over here. That's really cool, and that's very detailed too. Wow, they really, really went above and beyond on this. I'm definitely going to take a closer look at this later because I bet this is full of neat history. Okay everyone, that just about wraps up our unboxing video for the 150th anniversary Transcontinental Railroad set. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment, and let us know what you thought. And subscribe and ring the notification bell if you want to see other videos that we upload. Otherwise, have a nice day guys. Thanks for watching.